I'm tired of guessing how to cook my fries, how to cook my, chicken wings, how to cook my vegetables. With this air fryer, I don't have to think about it. And not only it tells me how to do it, it gives me ingredients. Come, I'm gonna show you all the great things this smart air fryer does. And I do want to say thank you to the brand for sending this over so I can share with you guys. Come and see how amazing this is.
So I will say I ruined more dinners with an air fryer than I've saved, and burnt on one side, raw in the middle, smoke alarm going off in the background while I stood there wondering what I did wrong for a long time. Now, I just assumed that that was normal, that this was what air fryers were supposed to be like. So when the 6.3 quart 16-in-1 air fryer showed up with a full color touchscreen and a viewing window built into the basket, I was skeptical. Screens on the kitchen appliances usually feel like a gimmick, something that looks nice in a product photo and does nothing for the actual food. But by the end of this video, I am going to show you one feature that buried in the specs that nobody talks about. That one that actually fixed the exact problem I just described. It's not the screen and it's not the size. So stick around because it's worth the wait. Now let's start with what you notice first, which is honestly how good this thing looks sitting on a counter. It's got that elegant modern finish that doesn't scream cheap plastic appliance. And the clear viewing window on the front of the basket means I'm not constantly pulling the drawer out just to check on the food and losing all my heat in the process. Then there's the touchscreen itself, which controls all 16 cooking modes: fries, wings, steak, fish, baking, dehydrating, reheating, the whole range. And instead of twisting a sticky dial with greasy hands, you just tap what you're cooking. It shows your time and temperature in real time, so you're never left guessing what's actually happening inside. And honestly, it's simple enough that I could hand this to my grandmother or a 10-year-old, and neither of them would need a tutorial. Now, here's where it actually starts cooking. This thing uses a 360-degree hot air circulation combined with strong heating elements. So instead of blasting heat from just one direction, it surrounds the food completely, pulling the fat and moisture out fast for that crispy golden exterior you're just getting from deep frying, minus basically like all the oil. And because the basket holds a full 6.3 quart, I'm not doing multiple batches just to feed my family. I'm loading a full tray of wings and a side of fries at the same time, and it's still coming out even, and the crisp is all the way through. Now, and the word even brings me to the feature I promised you at the start. This air fryer has a power memory function paired with the flip reminder, which means partway through the cooking, it actually prompts you to open the basket and flip your food. And when you slide it back in, it doesn't reset. It just picks up exactly where it left off. That's the difference between pulling out wings with one crispy side and one sad, pale side, and pulling out a batch that's perfectly done all the way around. Once you found your ideal setting for something, you can actually save it as a custom preset. So you cook it right one time and then you've got it saved forever. Cleanup is just as simple. The basket and the rack are both dishwasher safe, though it's worth mentioning clearly that the basket needs to be completely dry before you use it. So again, it becomes a safety issue, so don't rush that step. Between the capacity, the flip reminder actually solving the uneven cooking, this is amazing.